Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting review on the Sir Boats Yacht Channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury houseboating with a stunning vessel that's turning heads on the water, the Spirit of Missouri. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of life on the lake, this houseboat promises an unforgettable experience. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore what makes the Spirit of Missouri a standout choice for water enthusiasts everywhere. Let's start with the key features that set the Spirit of Missouri apart. This houseboat is designed with versatility in mind, offering multiple decks for relaxation and entertainment. You've got a spacious upper deck with a shaded canopy, perfect for soaking up the sun or hosting a small gathering with friends. The lower level boasts large tinted windows that flood the interior with natural light while providing stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It's equipped with modern amenities like a fully functional kitchen, multiple bathrooms, and ample storage space, making it ideal for extended stays on the water. For those who love a bit of tech, the boat includes navigation systems and entertainment options to keep everyone connected and entertained. It's a floating home that caters to both adventure seekers and those looking for a peaceful retreat. Moving on to the design, the Spirit of Missouri is a masterpiece of modern houseboat architecture. Its sleek, white exterior gives it a clean, elegant look that stands out against the natural backdrop of lakes and rivers. The boat's structure features a wide, stable hull that ensures a smooth ride even in choppy waters, thanks to its thoughtful engineering. The multi-tiered deck layout maximizes space without compromising style, with sleek lines and a futuristic touch that appeals to design lovers. The large windows aren't just for looks. They're strategically placed to enhance the open-plan feel inside, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. This design philosophy makes it feel less like a boat and more like a luxury vacation home that happens to float, blending practicality with aesthetic appeal. Inside, the interior features of the Spirit of Missouri are where luxury truly shines. Step aboard, and you're greeted by a spacious lounge area with plush seating, perfect for unwinding after a day on the water. The kitchen is a highlight, equipped with high-end appliances like a stove, refrigerator, and microwave, allowing you to whip up gourmet meals while floating. The sleeping quarters are generously sized, with multiple cabins that can comfortably sleep a large group, ideal for family vacations or group getaways. The bathrooms are modern and well appointed, featuring showers and plenty of storage for toiletries. High-quality materials like wood accents and soft fabrics elevate the ambience, giving it a cozy yet upscale feel. It's clear that every detail has been crafted with comfort and convenience in mind, making it a home away from home. Now, let's talk about the performance aspects that power this beauty across the water. The Spirit of Missouri is built with a robust propulsion system that ensures reliable movement, though exact horsepower details may vary depending on the specific model or customization. It's designed to cruise at a steady pace, offering a balance between fuel efficiency and the ability to cover longer distances on lakes or calm rivers. The boat's stability is a standout feature, thanks to its wide beam and low center of gravity, which minimizes rocking and provides a secure feel even with a full load of passengers. Maneuverability is another strength, with responsive controls that make docking or navigating tight spots a breeze for experienced captains. While it's not built for high-speed thrills, its performance is tailored for leisurely exploration, making it perfect for those who prioritize comfort over speed. What really makes the Spirit of Missouri unique are its selling points that you won't find in every houseboat. One of the biggest draws is its ability to serve as both a vacation home and a social hub. The expansive deck space and open interior layout are perfect for hosting parties or enjoying quiet moments with loved ones, setting it apart from smaller, more cramped vessels. The large windows and outdoor areas create an immersive connection with nature, letting you feel at one with the water and surrounding scenery, a feature that appeals to eco-conscious boaters and nature lovers alike. Customization options are another highlight, allowing owners to tailor the interior and features to their personal taste, from adding extra seating to upgrading entertainment systems. Plus, its reputation as a reliable, long-lasting vessel built by skilled craftsmen adds a layer of trust and value that's hard to beat. It's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle upgrade. For anyone considering a houseboat, the Spirit of Missouri offers a compelling package. Its combination of practical features, stunning design, luxurious interior, steady performance, and unique selling points makes it a top contender in the market. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, this vessel delivers on comfort, style, and functionality. If you're intrigued and want to learn more about owning one or exploring similar models, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Sir Boats Yacht Channel for more reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. Have you ever been on a houseboat like this, or is it on your wish list? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring the water with Sir Boats Yacht Channel. See you on the next voyage.